Hi, this video tutorial I will cover factory design pattern implementation. Before watch this video tutorial, please log into my channel and watch factory design pattern introduction, where I have explained what is factory design pattern, when to use factory design pattern, etc. So first watch that tutorial, then come and watch this factory design pattern implementation video tutorial so that you will understand this tutorial very clearly. This is the class diagram of sample code which I am going to show, and here you can see the animal interface, and it has speak method and it returns a string. Okay, and lion, duck, and dog are the subclasses which implements the animal interface and provide implementation of this speak method. Okay, so this lion class provide implementation of speak method and it will return roar, and this duck class implement the speak method and it will return the quack quack, and this dog class implements the speak method and it will return bark bark. Okay, and in factory design pattern the important class is factory class. Okay, so here we have animal factory class and it has get animal method. So what this get animal method does is, based on the animal type passed, it will return the animal reference. Okay, suppose say if we pass animal type as dog, then it will return the dog object to the caller. Suppose say if the client pass lion as animal type, then it will return the lion object to the caller. And suppose say if client pass duck as animal type, then it will return the duck object to the client. So what it will do is, this method, it will basically it will create the line object or duck object or dog object, and it will assign to the animal reference, which is a super interface, right? It will assign to the animal interface reference and it will return to the client. Okay, so here you can see the note, based on the animal type passed, it will return the animal duck or dog or lion, right? So that is mentioned here. We will see the sample code so that you will understand this class diagram very clearly. I will open Eclipse and I will show you the code. So these are the Java classes which involved in factory design pattern. The sample code which I am going to show, right? And first we will see the animal interface and the subclasses lion, duck, and dog. Okay. So first I will open the animal.java. So this is the interface and it has a speak method. And doc.java, duck.java, line.java. So doc.java which implements the this doc class which implements the animal interface and provide implementation of speak method and it will return bark bark. And like that duck class implements animal interface and provide implementation of speak method and it will return quack quack. So like that this line class implements animal interface and it provide implementation of speak method and it will return roar. Okay, and next we will see the animal factory class. It has get animal method and parameter is animal type and it should be a string, right? So we will see the animal factory next. So this animal factory class has get animal method and the parameter is animal type and it should be string, and based on the animal type passed, it will create the object and assign to the animal reference. Suppose say this animal type is dog, then it will create the new dog and assign to the super interface variable animal. Okay, like that if animal type is duck, then new duck object will be created and assigned to the animal reference. Like that if animal type is lion, and then line object will be created and assigned to the animal reference. Finally, animal reference will be returned to the caller. And finally we will see the client class. So I will open client.java. So this client.java is used to explain this factory design pattern. So what this client class will do is it will create animal factory object. Then it will just call the get animal method to get the animal reference. Then it will call the speak method of animal. Okay. So first I will run this client.java. Then I will explain line by line. Just running. Okay. So first line what we are doing is we are creating animal factory object. Then we are creating animal reference. Then we are just putting string speak sound equal to null. Okay. And next what we are doing is using animal factory object we are calling get animal method by passing doc, right? So what this get animal method will do is based on the parameter passed, it will return one of the subclasses of this animal interface, right? So I will open get animal method. So now what it will come is doc, right? So it will satisfy this if condition, and then it will create the new doc. That new doc object will be assigned to this animal reference. uh, that animal reference will be returned to the caller, right? So here you will get the animal reference which points to the doc object. So just I am printing what is animal type we are getting, right? So animal dot get class dot get name. So you can see we are getting doc object. Then animal dot speak. So animal is a super interface, and now it has this reference as doc object, right? So here we pass doc, so we get the doc object, right? So now this reference points to the doc object dot speak, so it will call the doc object speak method, right? So we'll open doc object speak method, so that is bark bark. So this will return bark bark to the client. So that one I am assigning to speak sound, which is string, defined string here, and then I'm just printing speak sound. So dog speak bark bark. Okay, so this way it works. So like that, same way animal factory dot get animal I am passing the duck. So this animal reference now it points to duck object. So I'm just printing what is animal type. You can see we are getting duck, and animal dot speak, now it points to the duck object, right? So duck dot speak, it will return quack quack. So like that, next we are passing animal type as lion. So this animal reference points to lion object. So lion dot speak, it will return roar, and animal type will be lion. Okay, so this is how factory design pattern works, and this is the best example of factory design pattern. Okay, now we'll go to the class diagram. So now I think you understand this factory design pattern clearly. So in factory design pattern, that important class is animal factory, and based on the parameter passed, this get animal method will return one of the subclasses object. Okay, and I have put together all this sample code in my blogspot. My name of the blogspot is ramj2e.blogspot.in. So I have put together all the examples, sample code, and all my videos in this blogspot. So if you want to know more about this factory design pattern, please log into my blogspot and read. Okay, and I have also created one more video for factory design pattern key points, and please log into my channel and watch that video also to understand more about this factory design pattern. And this is about factory design pattern implementation. And thanks for watching. Bye.